Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Melanie Tumpalan Lumibaw, 43 years old. I live at Taguig City. I'm married with 3 kids, and I'm second to the youngest in the family.
How many
ma'am.
brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 3 brothers
Okay.
and only 1 sister.
So you're the only girl in the family?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are your children?
They are 7 years old, 10 and 14.
Who's going to take care of them when you go to Hong Kong?
My auntie, ma'am.
Okay, do you have an experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
No, ma'am.
How about in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is your employer?
My employer is Miss Janet Bautista.
How many are them in the family?
They are 4 in the family.
How long did you stay in that employer?
From January 2011 to March 2014, ma'am.
So you finished your contract with them for 3 years?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
I take care of their kids. Their kid. I'm doing household work like marketing, washing their clothes, ironing, and cooking.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because of high salary compared to other country.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like,
I cook steamed fish, steamed chicken, and fried rice.
are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what can you teach to your employer's children?
I teach them good English, and I teach them how to write.
Okay. Can you sing a
That's all.
nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give an example, please?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, thank you. Now, what kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
So you're willing to take care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I'm hardworking. I'm obedient, and that's all, ma'am.
Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Hi, sir, ma'am. I hope you give me a chance to be your helper in your family. I'm responsible and hardworking, and I promise that I will do my duties very well.
Can you promise to follow the rules and regulations inside the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.